You look like you fell asleep.
Beneath the starlit sky,
I vow to love and support you always and forever, to help, encourage you and work together to achieve all of your goals and your dreams.
beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine.
Hey.
Gets me every time.
I guess I'm just like you, just writing the vow very last minute. Oh well, 5 years has been, very fast. And I guess it's because we had a lot of fun together. And I think different from your vow, I just want to say thanks a lot to you.
Feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you when summer's
I vow to be a great father to the baby coming and any more that may. Well, there's nothing I could vow to you today that could equal or make up for what you've already done to me, for me already in 5 short years. You've made me a better person and made me want to grow as a person for myself, as a couple and as a family. You want me to hold? Okay. That's it.
Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine.
We are very happy. Yeah, Jermaine and Alex become
As
couple.
the leaves change color, I dive into you when
My final vow is this. I promise I will never stop striving to be the perfect husband for you, to put you and our family before everything else, and to spend the rest of our lives paying you back for what you've already done for me.
season of love. As the leaves change color, I dive in.
Bố Lộc ơi, đặc biệt cảm ơn bố Lộc và mẹ Hà vì đã kiên nhẫn với con, luôn luôn yêu thương và quan tâm con, tin con khi là chồng cho mình. Cảm ơn bố mẹ.
He's not in the script, I don't know about this.
Maybe this is the season of love.
Thank you for being here today with me, making my dream of having the perfect family man. Thank you for being patient with me, especially when I'm grumpy or being too Asian. Thank you for listening to me, and together we are learning how to be together. Thank you for loving my family and introducing me to your family, whom I love so much. God!
시간을 돌린대도 나 지금 이대로 처음부터 소중히 담아온 나의 이야기 내게 달려가 꽉 안아줄 거야 오늘은 말할게 I love you till the end It's more than just a feeling 이렇게 말해줘 Oh yeah I've been waiting for your love
And the biggest thing is that thank you for letting me have our dog Noodle. It was 3 years of begging, and I know you will love her a lot. That's the biggest one. I know I always love you. I know it's cheesy to say it, but we both know it's true. And I can't wait to see and love what's coming next in our future. I know that our baby number one is just like you, always doing things without planning. And well, like a father. So let's have a lot of fun today with everyone that we love a lot and love each other more and more every day. I love you so much, everyone.
It's more than just a feeling 이렇게 말해줘
Yeah, like the sunset, like the golden hour.
Honestly, I think the moment I know I can spend the rest of my life with you is when I could eat Vietnamese food in front of you without being afraid that I will put you off. That's a very big moment.
I love you. I love you.